Is your entry door outdated, drafty, or just not secure? Window World makes upgrading easy. To begin, simply call us, visit your local Window World showroom, or go to our website to schedule your free quote. A design consultant will come to your home to discuss style, colors, hardware, and features that best suit your home. They'll take precise measurements to ensure a proper fit. With our visualization tool, you can see exactly how your new door will look before making a decision. Once you've designed your new door system, we'll provide a free, no-obligation quote. In Window World, every door is built to fit your home's unique specifications. When your door is ready, our expert installers will remove your old door and prepare the opening for installation. Once everything is aligned, we securely fasten the door and test its operation for a proper fit. After installation is complete, we clean up the area and remove any old materials, leaving your home spotless. Then we'll walk you through the lifetime limited warranty, so you can feel confident in your investment. Your new entry door enhances curb appeal, boosts security, improves energy efficiency, and even increases home value. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Call your local Window World or visit us online to schedule your free quote today.